So I have come to see what's left and say my last goodbyes, I guess. End of an era, y'all. It's sad. I want to see if there's any good deals, of course, but I want to just come through and kind of, you know, give it a one last once over. Okay. I'm not into the big yarns like that. I wish they'd turn the music down for copyright. Oh my gosh. It's so bare. I can't believe this is happening. I'm so sad. Okay, so looks like right now all the yarn is 25% off. I've never seen this. Caron Colorama Lacy. Guys, I'm super behind. I was gone for quite a bit of time where I'm really behind on the new yarns. Oh, so it's got that like... Oh, okay. So they made a shirt out of it. I don't really think... I don't really know that this is my cup of tea. Although, this might make like a really pretty lamp cover or drapes or something. I could totally see that. I keep getting drawn to this. I just don't know what I'd use it for. I'm trying to be very intentional with my purchases and not feeding into the panic buying or the overconsumption. Yeah. I think I'll pass this up. Oh my gosh. I came mostly to see if I could find color theory. Okay. Wow. This is so sad. It's an end of an era. That really makes me sad. Wonder if I can find any 24/7 cotton in that one color. I think it was back there though. Caron. No Caron color I'd want. Yeah. Guys, it's so empty. What is this? Oh, it's that one. I tried that. There's only a few specific things I would want, but I bet they're all gone. Is that the color theory or is that the hue in me? I'm sorry. It is the color theory and there's not enough. No! I knew it was gonna happen. I waited too long. Dang. This music is so loud, I don't know how I'm gonna have to try to edit it out. Wow. It's gonna be a video of me just saying wow the whole time. Wonder if there's any of that, those merino. Yeah, I think these are them. 25% off. $25% off is still a little much. These are nice though. The KNC Super Washable Luxe. They feel nice and squishy. Oh, I really like this color. It's pretty. Yeah, so Color Theory and then the 24/7 cotton, just in that one, like, a sage aloe color. I was kind of looking for. Okay, that's pretty. I don't like this kind of yarn though, but that's pretty. Okay, let's see. Basic stitch. Ooh, bright. It's a pretty color. Okay. Oh, 24/7 cotton's over here. Yes. So it's 25% off. Kobu's over here. I feel like Kobu doesn't feel like it used to feel. Did they change it? Because this doesn't feel the same to me. I have some at home that I just got done playing with a little that I am going to make something out of, but it feels so different. I don't know, is that just me? I like this color. Is this the taupe? Yeah. This is a color I've wanted. 25% off. Like, I struggle with this a little bit because 25% off is not great. I mean, it's okay, but you guys know it. Lion Brand does deals all the time where you can get it 30, 40% off. So it kind of feels like, I don't know. I don't know if I should do it. Here's one of the I don't know what color it is, but I like this color. It's pretty. It's not the color I'm looking for. I'm looking for this. I've done tutorials out of this color. Is this it? No, that's not it. That's too dark. It's lighter than that. I haven't been able to find it in stores. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at is, ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty Trubu color. I'll have to think about it for a minute. If I want to get these at 25% off or just get them at lionbrand.com next time they go on sale. I do really like this Kobu. I like that 24/7 cotton. Of course, the grays. I always like the grays. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this is 24/7 cotton DK. I've actually never used that. I like that color though. That's pretty. Decisions. Have you guys ever seen the 24/7 cotton DK sparkle? I've never seen it before. Yeah, this is I think this is the last row. I am gonna go look at fabric. I doubt I'll take you guys on that journey, but oh no, we have one more row. There's only a blanket yarn behind me, so that's why I'm not showing that side. But I see some hanky hanks. Ooh, it's as squishy as it looks, just FYI. $16.99. This is Superwash Merino, 151 yards. It's pretty. Not worth it for 25% off, I don't feel. I don't know. I might come back and check it out when it's like a lot of the stores 40% off, but they don't have the yarn 40% off. It's only 25%. So I may come back and see in a week or so what is left, because 40% would be worth it to me. I don't want to buy just because it's on sale. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you have, if you have bought anything, and if so, what. I of course will let you know if I end up getting anything. That's pretty. I am gonna go over and look at fabric for a minute. Oh, you go up here. Actually, let me put you with your brothers and sisters. Okay. Okay, so pretty much it's only like 20% off for most everything. Some stuff is 40% off, but 20% off isn't really worth it. And you cannot use the coupons on anything that's on sale, which the entire store is on sale. So 20% isn't worth it to me just yet, especially because I haven't even learned how to use my sewing machine. So yeah, so I think I will wait, come back maybe. So maybe this isn't my last goodbye. Dramatically, that's what I am titling the video, is something to that effect. But yeah, so we may come back and see what we can see for yarn and fabric and stuff like that. So I know it was a really short video, but I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And oh, that's cool. I will get back with you guys soon. Yeah, all right, bye guys. Sorry, I'm super distracted.